G'day everyone, Mitch here again. It's about time I did another one of these studio videos, I guess. So this particular video, as you probably deduced by the title, is another unboxing slash unpackaging video. Today we've got a package arrived all the way from the United States from a small town in Washington called Spokane. I believe I'm pronouncing that one correctly. And it's from Michael Caine. So, without further ado, let's have a look what's inside. Alright, I've got a rough idea of actually what's inside here. It's been done up really well, so just be careful with scissors. There we go. It's well packaged. Okay. Some more bubble wrap. Let's have a look. I love bubble wrap. Let's cut the tape there. Alright. Top marks for the packaging, mate. You've done a good job. Alright. So let's have a look. Some more sticky tape on here. Some, looks to be some glad wrap on it as well. Okay, no problem. Loosen that off. Should almost get into ASMR videos, shouldn't I, with all of these unwrapping sort of sounds. Okay. So what have we got here? Oh, it's got a piece of paper enclosed. Let's have a look. Okay, so just to be clear on, to make sure I get things right here, so the book in question was actually produced by Stephen Muntz, who's also from Spokane, and this is what he has to say to us. Dear Mitch, it is with great pleasure that I am able to send you an author-signed copy of the new Model T Ford Coil Restoration Book, 2nd edition. We, the Spokane Model T Ford Club, Janice Hutchinson, that's our production coordinator, Mike Caine, and I would like to extend our heartfelt thanks for your gracious contribution. The detailed description of how the coil works and the outstanding diagrams added substantially to the book. Initial feedback on the book has been overwhelmingly positive. We wish you the very best in your future endeavours with the Model T Ford. Best regard, Steve Muntz. Well, thank you very much, Steve, and also thank you, Mike, for sending this all the way from the US. Wasn't exactly cheap to send it, I understand. So, what we have here, here's the, hope I get that on camera, here's the book itself. Nicely bound, and it's called Model T Ford Coil Restoration 2nd edition, updated with a special section on engine and coil wiring diagrams and coil operation contributed by yours truly. Okay, let's have a look inside. Oh, it's even been autographed, look at that. So there's the inside front cover there. And let's have a little look through it. So it's got some acknowledgements here. Coil restoration instructions. Tools and materials. Very good. Coil conditions. Checking for potential problems. That's a very comprehensive guide. Very good indeed, actually. Looks like some hand-drawn diagrams of wiring and, test conditions and contact points. Diagrams of the actual top of the coil boxes themselves. A lot of hand-drawn diagrams in here, which you don't see a lot of anymore in these in any of these sort of publications, I don't think. A lot of hints and warnings. Yeah, it's always good to be careful around high voltage, especially with these little guys. They can pack a punch if you touch the wrong bit. take that from me from personal experience. Wow. Another point bridge. Some testing pictures and stuff going on here. Really good, really well put together. Oh, and of course, and then there's my coil diagrams at the back of the book here. Good to see. In colour, no less. And my diagram of the Model T mission components. So yeah, that's a really I obviously hadn't read it in its entirety just yet. This is the first time I've seen it. It's got some references here. Good to see. Yeah, no, it's a very comprehensively assembled publication. This, and I shall have a more thorough look at it. But once again, my heartfelt thanks to Stephen Muntz and Mike Kane, who got together and produced this publication, and obviously sent me a copy. So thank you very much, guys. And that's about it for this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe of course, and turn on notifications so that you know when I next put up a video, and drop a comment below if you enjoyed this video. Alright, well, that's it from me. Once again, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Take care out there.